Hey guys, today's video is about selling products online, which platforms I like to use, which platforms I don't like to use. I kind of consider myself kind of a side Amazon coach anyway, just because I've sold on Amazon. I've been in the trenches as a pro seller. I've done PPC. I've learned all about PPC. I've spent, thousands of dollars on PPC, and I've gotten to learn, how things work, how they don't work. I guess right now I kind of am still willing to teach people how to sell on Amazon and the proper paths to take to do that. One of which is you should really get the Helium 10 Freedom Ticket course, which I'm going to leave a 50% discount code in the description so you can take Freedom Ticket. If you absolutely want to sell on Amazon, watch Freedom Ticket first. It comes with the Platinum plan with Helium 10, and you can get 50% off it, and you get that Freedom Ticket Amazon course for a month. You can't beat that, and it's got everything you need to know about selling on Amazon. I mean, I guess what I'm trying to tell you guys is my personal choice is to be honest with you guys, I really don't like Amazon. Um, I don't like the way they run their business. I don't like the way they treat the sellers. I don't like the way they do their fees. Amazon, to be honest with you, is a pretty greedy company. They put themselves first, way above the sellers. They tend to pay themselves almost double or triple what they're paying the sellers for their own products. So, and then the cost of PPC is just insane to actually make sales. You have to pay PPC. If you're not doing PPC, you're probably not even going to show up in search, to be honest with you. So you have to really know about PPC. And there's tools you can use from Helium 10 like Cerebro to get those golden keywords from your competitors, etc., etc. So these are all tools that you can use, and again, they'll have a coupon code in the description. But what do I actually recommend selling on? I'm a huge fan of eBay right now, guys. eBay, I haven't had any issues with eBay at all. Uh, and you can use the same tools. You can use Cerebro for Helium 10 to get those magic keywords to use in your titles. You can use Helium 10 to get, the keywords for your description. Basically, selling online, guys, is all about keywords. And that's why it's important for you to go to helium10.com right now and check out all the tools they have and see if my code might be something that you want to give a try. When I was professionally selling on Amazon, I was using Cerebro to build master lists for my PPC campaigns. I would pay for Cerebro. I think it was like $28 with my coupon code, and I would actually literally study my competition. I would take their ASIN and do reverse ASIN checks so I could literally see what they were using for keywords in their listings, what they might be using for keywords in their PPC campaigns, and I would plug those in my own manual campaigns, and that's how I would get, sales and traffic. So not only can you use Helium 10 for Amazon, but you can also use Helium 10 for any online selling. Any online selling. Like for me, I still use Helium 10 for eBay. So guys, I'm a huge fan of it. I would not blow smoke up your butt. Yes, I am an affiliate for Helium 10, but that's because I believe in Helium 10, and I believe that they really also want you to succeed. If selling on Amazon is something you want to do, go for it. I just recommend taking the Freedom Ticket course. Uh, like I said, my honest opinion, I don't like Amazon anymore. I didn't like the selling experience. They made it a miserable experience for me. They lost 100 of I was selling sink snakes at the time. I mailed in a box of 100. They lost 100 of my sink snakes and then paid me like a fraction for those sink snakes. The FBA fees are just insane, and the PPC cost is insane. But if you think you can make it work, go for it. My recommendation is don't buy any products for Amazon until you do your homework. You can't just order on Alibaba.com and expect to be successful at Amazon. Like, for example, for my sink snakes, one reason why they failed so miserably is because they were only selling for $6.99. And the competition was insane. Go on Amazon right now and type in sink snakes. You will see page after page after page after page of sink snakes. And then what happened is Amazon also started selling the seller's products. So my sink snakes, they just ordered sink snakes and started selling sink snakes themselves. And that's really what nailed the coffin for my sink snake business on Amazon, is when Amazon started selling my exact product. And the hard part about Amazon is they have access to all your PPC data. They have access to who your suppliers are. So if they see you're making money, they're probably just going to go steal your product and start selling it themselves. I'm being real with you guys. I'm being real, okay? I'm not just out here as a Helium 10 affiliate blowing smoke up your ass. Do your homework. If, like I said, if you want to sell on Amazon, more power to you. But make sure you know what you're doing, okay? Don't just jump and buy those products, because if you just go impulsively buy products on Alibaba, I guarantee that that strategy is going to fail. Guaranteed, because you need the knowledge first. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this real video. Don't forget my Helium 10 discount code in the description. And thank you so much.